What's up everyone, it's this guy and I'm coming to you with another Toyota Avalon video. This time I'll be changing an engine air filter on my 2016 Toyota Avalon. Now Toyota has used the same engine in the Avalon since 2004 all the way to 2018. If your car falls within this date range, this video is applicable to you. Now the filter that I'm installing is an STP. I picked it up at my local AutoZone. It's an SA10957. There's many different options out there for filters. I just happen to go with STP. Now in this video, I'm going to jump in with the very basics, which is how to open your hood. But if you want to jump ahead to the actual air filter change, just jump ahead to this timestamp here. Now when it comes to popping the hood, there's a little hidden lever down here. It does have a tiny little icon that looks like a car hood. So go ahead and just pop that lever. And when you pop it, the hood will come up like this. Now you can lift a little, it's going to be locked. There's actually another lever in here. You stick your hand in, you can feel it, and you just lift up on it. This guy here. Now the cool thing about the Avalon is that the hood stays open by itself. There's not like some pole that you need to lock in here like some of the smaller cars. So the engine air filter will live inside this housing. It's actually in here. There's these little clips here that hold it in place. You just simply pop off these two clips and it'll allow you to lift it up and unlock it. Do be advised that you are going to get a little dirty from this. There's not oil here, it's just the grime from the road. So you're just going to pop off this guy here, and then there's one back here. Just going to pop it off like this. From there, you just basically unhook, and your air filter is down here. So very simply, you're just going to lift up the old filter and pull it out. Now before you go crazy and start tearing up these boxes to yank the other filter out and throwing your old filter away, I always want to play it safe. I'm going to take out the new filter, and I'm just going to compare it to the old filter. And I just want to make sure that I picked up the correct thing at the store. Same thing for you. It's nothing worse than throwing your old filter away right into the trash and realizing your new filter is not the right one. And then you're climbing in your trash can and your neighbor is wondering, what in the world are you up to? And if you notice, it's not a perfect square, kind of a rectangle. Wider side here, shorter side here. It's just going to lay into the track in here. Like this, okay? So when you put the housing back on, there's this tab here, and there's another one back there. See those tabs? They're actually going to fit into these openings. There's one here, and there's another one back there. So the trick is you're going to insert those tabs into the housing, and then you're going to push the housing down. Back on the other side, we're going to hold the housing down, and we're going to lift, and we're going to lock this first tab in place. Then we're going to reach back in here, and we're just going to repeat with the other tab here. Just going to push it in place. And that's it. So you're pretty much set now for the next 10,000 miles. Good luck.